Back at Walley Plumbing Research Laboratories, we're doing a little experiment to show you the power of this jetter that we always talk about. And we got a little, I've been looking all over for a clear piece of 4-inch pipe so we could show you what's happening when we do drain cleaning. So right now, this thing is full of water and it's got a big clog of dirt at the end of it. And it's you can see it's just jammed in there. And that water's not going anywhere. So, test number 1 for the jetter. This nozzle,
it's got 4 to the rear and 3 to the front.
So we'll see what happens. I know what's gonna happen, but we want you to know what's gonna happen. This jetter has, it can go up to about 3,100 pounds of pressure. And that's why it's called the KJ-3100. Test number 2, shop towels.
Keep it up with. We won't put a lot. We're going to pack it at the end to make sure it's completely packed hard. Put the whole roll in there.
The things we do when we're waiting on a job to come in, we just, you know, hey, Walley Plumbing's here to teach and research and develop. And to entertain. You almost knocked my front teeth out. Shop towels jammed in real tight. If you think of something you want us to try to blow out of this pipe, comment below and we'll put it to the test. There's a grocery store right across the street. You say the word. If it'll fit in this pipe, we'll blow it out. If it won't fit in this pipe, I bet we could put a chicken in there. I bet we could put a Cornish game hen in there. Okay. All right, it's stopped up, jammed up. Not for long though. I gotta hide behind this garbage can. So we found somebody's Red Bull can, somebody's Sunkist can. I found a plastic bag, a stick, dirt. All right, let me do this. Let's say somebody was trying to, let's say you had a renter and they got mad at you and you're the landlord and they just got mad at you and did all this before they left.
It does happen.
It's pretty common, isn't it? Yeah. Man, what a bunch of jerks. I hate you, bottle.
I really don't hate you.
More paper towels? No. Is that a rubber glove to grow on?
Just sound like something else.
Yeah. It's a family show, Jake. We'll call it a prophylactic. Kids don't know what that is. It's really just a rubber glove. All right, so that's jammed packed. Nothing will flush. It's Friday night, man. That's when the call comes in. So that's when we get a call. Sewer lines jam-packed, just backing up everywhere in the house. Nothing will flush. And we don't use the jetter as a first resort. This is like an extreme case where I don't know if our drain machine will get this or not, but all right, hit it. That was a rubber glove that wouldn't come out of there. It kept going forward and pulling back. So prophylactics, rubber gloves, you tell me what's more likely to get hung in the septic tank, I mean in the sewer line. So don't flush those for sure. You saw what happened. It kept going backwards and forwards. And we got everything else out though, look at that. And we got the rubber glove out, it just came up backwards. I mean, it shredded everything. So that's what our jetter can do.